Hi. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 forklift accessories and their uses. Before we dive in, the entire team at Angus Lift Trucks would like to thank you for watching this video. We are a well-established forklift truck company in the Midlands, with over 30 years of experience in providing services from forklift hire, sales, maintenance, and repairs, to training on all types of forklifts. We are also accredited and provide CPC and first aid training. Our experts are always on hand for free, no obligation quotes at our shops in Hinckley, Leicestershire, and Ilkeston, Derbyshire. Of course, do share and like this video, it really motivates us to do more similar videos. Without further ado, let's dive in. 1. Forklift clamps. This particular tool grabs an item from the sides with 2 arms instead of lifting them from the bottom. There are many different types of clamps designed to transport loads that might be unstable when placed on a pallet fork. A few examples of forklift clamps include drum clamps for handling heavy circular loads, bale clamps for lifting baled products such as textiles, hay, newspapers, etc., recycling clamps, and multi-purpose clamps that offer versatile uses. 2. Forklift baskets. You can easily create an elevated work platform with your forklift by attaching a forklift basket. These baskets are typically used to raise and lower workers at a job site in order to fix an issue or transport materials up high. They can come in a variety of sizes, depending on how many people it will be accommodating. Forklift baskets are usually made of welded steel and include a non-slip surface for optimal safety. They are often utilized by warehouse employees or maintenance workers to transport items or collect them off high shelves or other high spaces. 3. Fork-mounted jibs. These common forklift attachments slide directly onto the forklift blades for easy lifting and transportation. They usually come with a hook at the end that can attach to the load. These jibs increase lifting capacity and improve the stability of the load, and are often required for larger loads. Using these extensions, workers can manage different load sizes and shapes with ease and load and unload more materials at one time. Fork-mounted jibs are used when you can't lift and move an object or objects with just the blades. Some of the most popular types include fixed forklift jibs, used for repetitive tasks, extendable forklift jibs, can be lengthened, and adjustable forklift jibs, adjusts to different angles. 4. Side shifters. Side shifters are probably the most used forklift attachment, as they let the operator move both forks from side to side. This tool reduces handling time and improves load maneuverability by offering more precision during transport. Side shifters are especially helpful when workers are moving loads in tight spaces. With the help of this device, you can reposition large loads without having to move the entire vehicle. 5. Forklift rotators. The forklift rotator attachment can rotate 360 degrees either clockwise or counterclockwise, allowing the operator to alter the position of a pallet if it's unbalanced. A forklift rotator can also be used to transport materials to different containers, as it gives the operator the ability to dump the contents and pick up more. So, to wrap up, these are only 5 of the many forklift accessories. If you are looking for accessories and information, do have a look at our detailed article Top 7 Forklift Accessories and Their Uses. See the link in the description. Of course, if you are looking for more videos on all things forklifts, from the funniest forklift jokes to theory test questions forklift drivers often get wrong, do subscribe to our channel and like or share our video. Do check out some of the most popular articles on our blog, see links in the description. Finally, if you consider hiring a forklift, buying a new or a used one, jumping a new maintenance contract, or training on any type of forklift or CPC training, do give our team a call.